guys, it's me Holly.
And me Harrison.
Today we're making
Monster Halloween treats.
So those of you who are watching, please smash that subscribe button and comment down below who's the best making caker and hit the like button.
These are the ingredients. 16 ounces of chocolate biscuits, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 12 ounces of chocolate, edible eyes and food colouring.
Let's get started.
Don't take it.
First we're going to smash up all the Oreos. This is a lot of Oreos.
Now I've got to smash these up.
Can I put them in?
Ah!
Wow, that took ages.
It needs to look like sand.
First, I have to put the cheese into the biscuits.
Now I need to mix it until it's not in mine.
This is what it looks like when it's being mixed.
Now we have to roll it into little balls.
No!
It's not going into a little ball. Now we're putting these in the fridge for an hour.
And now let me lick the bowl.
That's a spoon. My turn.
It's nice.
Awesome.
It,
Now we need to break the white chocolate into little pieces.
Now we need to melt it up and make sure there's an adult there to help you.
We added green food colouring into the white chocolate, and then you put the chocolate biscuit onto your fork, and then put the green food colouring on with the white chocolate. And if you want to, you can add some eyeballs on. But you'll have to cover it in green food colouring. This is hard.
Oh, you're putting all the green.
Make sure to ask a parent. Well, this as well.
Ask a parent to buy some Oreos and put into pieces. It didn't actually take a long time. Get your spoon. Get your spoon, Harrison. Scoop it off. Right, it's my turn. Let me get the smallest cake.
Is that my spoon?
Look how small my cake is. Wow, it's so small.
No, I'm letting it. That's my spoon.
Well, you got two googly eyes.
It's taste time! Are you for real?
Have you tasted the
No
eyes
way.
yet? Have you tasted the eyes yet?
No.
I haven't. What did it taste like? You got green cheese. You got green cheese.